warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rahna Marsa with student ID number 2024-32072 from the Information System Study Program Class B. Here, I will explain the statistic and probability practicum on simple linear regression. The first step is to complete the y data variable because only 6 variable x and variable y are known. So we will use that to find other y variables. Okay, we calculate the value of x squared and y squared as well as variable x multiplied by variable y. We also calculate the sum of each value that was just found. Then we find the value of n equal to the control variable x or y. Okay, next we find the average of the sum of variable x and variable y by dividing the sum of variable x or variable y by n. Next, we find the regression coefficient b using this formula. And we also find the intercept value a, which is the sum of the y variable minus b multiplied by the numbers of variable and divided by n. To find the regression or the unknown y variable, we can use the formula a plus b multiplied by variable x and so on. Once all x and y variables are complete, we can proceed to calculate the value of x squared and y squared, as well as the variable x multiplied by the variable y. We also calculate the sum of each of the value just found. Then, we find the value of equal to the control variable x or y. Next, find the average of the sum of the x and y variable by dividing the sum of the x or y variable by n. Then, find the regression coefficient b using this formula. Also, find the intercept value a, which is the sum of the y variable minus b multiplied by the sum of the variable and divide by n. After that, we find the correlation coefficient r by typing equal to correl block all variables x and variable y, and then we find the determination r squared by squaring r. And next, make a prediction that if x is 100, then y is 500 and 3.595 with advertising cost of 100 cells are predicted to reach around y 500 and 3.595. This shows that the higher the advertising cost, the more cells are likely to increase. For obtain a graph of the regression result for advertising cost and cells, block all advertising cost variable x and cell variables y, then click Insert, Chart, and select Scatter Chart to display a dot line on the graph. Click one of the points on the graph and select the linear section to display the determination R-squared and regression. Check Display Equation on chart and display R-squared value on chart. And finally, to display the summary output, click the File menu, then Option and Add-ins at the bottom, click Go. in the Manage Excel add-ins. Then check Analysis Toolbar, then click OK. After that, click Data on the Excel menu and click the Data Analysis section. Select Regression from the list of available tools and click OK. Then input the Y range by entering the sales column Y and averaging cost X. Then select the column to display the summary output and click OK. Okay, the conclusion of this practical exercise proves that linear regression can be used to predict and analyze the relationship between two variables clearly and measurably. Maybe that's all I can say. I hope it is useful for all of us. If there are any mistakes, please forgive to me. Thank you and see you.